Check it out. Woohoo! Is this recipe the best thing to come out of the ocean? Anyone would be very happy to be catfished by you. Pretty catfish.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how, guys, I'm going to show you guys off the rails, and it's only been 5 seconds. Fantastique. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make tuna tartare. I guarantee you it's going to be the star-tar of the show. Let's get retartarted. Can I say that? Is that okay to say? Let's get star-tarted. First up, let's get choppy.
Hey, maybe we focus, yeah?
Star-tar Lord. Running the jokes into the ground. Onion. Gonna start off with chopping some red onion. You're turning me onion. I'm using a quarter of a red rub. Whoop, 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 woo. Red onion. If you can't find a red onion, just get a white onion and tell embarrassing childhood stories about it in front of its new girlfriend. Everyone gets a kiss. Put your onion in a bowl. About a quarter cup of chopped onions. Cucumber. I'm gonna use the smaller one because the smaller one is fine. No more skin for you. I'm gonna dice up about half a cucumber. Cucumber is complete. Beans. I'm gonna use some navy beans here, but feel free to use army beans instead. Or Air Force beans. Air Force beans. Focus. Beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more magnesium you'll have in your diet. Rinse your beans. Stop being weird. How's that sound, huh, buddy? Why did the bean not answer the door when it rang? He was in the can. I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of navy beans. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Avocado is next. I guess that's fine. Service. Good avocado. Why was the avocado heartbroken? Because I ate its other half. Half an avocado is the amount of avocado we will be avocadoing. Why did the avocado's car break down? Because it needed a pit stop. You should have checked that oil. What's a horse's favorite condiment? Mayonnaise. Because horses neigh. You really neigh some better jokes. I'm gonna do like 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise, a quarter teaspoon of sesame oil maybe. You just need a little bit because it's very, very flavory packed. Wow. And like 2 pinches of sesame seeds. Seeds of the sesame. A little bit of fresh ginger goes in there too because, you know, fresh ginger is good. About a quarter teaspoon of fresh ginger, a little tiny hot sauce, just a little bit. Let's get fishy. Fresh tuna. Make sure it's fresh. Let's dice it. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, pretty. What did the negative fish say? Tuna. Why did the fish get kicked out of band practice? Because he couldn't hold a tuna. Dice your tuna. Stop making jokes. How many fish does it take to screw in a light bulb? 2. No. Yeah. 1.5 cups of diced tuna. Ooh. I once had a pet fish that was very stressed out all the time, so I would just tell him, Hatuna Matata. And then you ate him. I left you alone for 5 minutes. Why did you eat Swim Shady? Because it was delicious. We're gonna do a little pinch of gochugaru, little pinch of salt, and a little bit of ponzu sauce. Don't use Ponzi sauce. It's illegal. A little bit of lime juice. Now put it in the fridge while we make our crispies. Put a little bit of oil in a pot. You know what? No, I think today we play it safe. Then just drop in the rice paper when it's hot enough. Woo! Very fast process. Check it out. Woohoo! Instantaneous. Hee! This is fun. Spoon the tuna on the thing. I'm gonna do a little bit of hot peppers and oil on top. Now we eat you. Now let's eat you. Oh boy. Might have loaded it up too much. Oh well. That was flimsier than I thought it would be. Don't load it up as much as I did. That's so good. We're learning. Bye, friends.